Okay. Let's begin. Taking out the chassis. Out of this beauty. You've got to be shitting me. Oh god. That's great. The mechanism and it fucking comes out separate. Oh my god. I can't believe that this all comes out separate. Now I can get a better look at this stuff. I'm shocked at that. That was very good, but I can run better. I do believe I might be Catalan infused. I think there's like Catalan or it was something that they put on this metal stuff. I don't know. But here is the chassis. Let's get it in HD now. Here's your transistor. Got a total of 7 transistors. We already know this. And my cat's coming to snuff. Very surprised that spins very nicely like that. That's amazing. What does this do? Might need a new volume pop. I think it's still good. Here's your battery array. Let's video this so we know where these wires go. So. This is a pink wire, I believe. It goes to this terminal. And brown goes here, red goes here, and black. Yep. Pretty straightforward. We're going to have to clean this all up. This has a very thin plastic, and I'm very confused of how it's still intact. But you can see the state of this. Actually, I'd rather my cat step on it this way than the other way. Got a nice speaker in there. It's gonna need a clean. Gonna need a good clean. Really old electrical tape. Just look at how this thing's designed. Oh, it's completely. Oh. Pussy. I'm just honestly shocked of how well it's built. It's American made. That's the thing. American made. American made. Here. Look at that. That's a polymint capacitor. 80 UF at 10 volt. Man. Solid. That's a solid brass flywheel. So, come on, don't do stupid shit, cat. I don't want you doing stuff like that. Okay? Okay. And this is the other side. What are you doing? Oof. Stop that. Mr. Pussy, we talked about this. I don't know what you see, but you see something that got your fucking attention. I might be able to save this for presentation purposes, but oh my, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be cool. If I can get this off, that is. Pussy, what are you doing? Look at that. That's in good condition. Look at that. That's a very good condition for a 60-year-old speaker. You see the coil right here. Don't want to touch that. But you can see the ingenuity that went into this. It's amazing. It's amazing that we went so far in the US with our technology, and we stopped and gave it all to China, and we could have designed things way better, but you know, in the end, this is a throwaway society now. No one's gonna want anything that they can just keep forever. I mean, it's crazy how that sounds. No one's gonna want that because people use money and they don't know what to do with it, and they throw it out. So unscrew this speaker and get that situated out of here. Don't want to fuck up or ruin these precious wires. Very thin screws. These are definitely customly machined. Definitely customly machined screws. And here's your speaker grill. Yeah, cardboard. You know, the basics. It got you through it, pretty much. Ready for the unveiling, dum-dum? Look at that. Original piece of plastic. Oh. Look at that. Original piece of freaking plastic. Still in. Uh-oh. Why do we have one wire? Oh, wait a minute. I don't think that's one wire. Let's see, right there. Only uses one of its wires. This ain't even connected. What the hell? And it's supposed to be like that? I guess I don't know. But let's look at some capacitors. Oh yeah, look at those. Here's your coil. I mean, it's wired like a radio. It's unbelievable. That's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrolytics in it. And the others are, jeez, this is like unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. What is that? That is a stamp from the factory. Was. I don't know if I can find a date code on any of this. 75 volt? That must be for the high voltage. Look at that though. That's... There's a transistor sockets right there. I don't think the speaker's rubbing very much. It's in good condition. You know, this also reminds me of the Philco Safari television set. I don't know why. It just does. But I'm boggled that there's only one wire connected to this speaker. How does that work? Unless... I'm amazed that this plastic is in good condition. Normally this stuff won't. It's covered in dust, but that's a nice speaker. I like that. 1950s vintage speaker. For extra sound quality. And that's kind of disintegrating a little bit, you can see there, but let's not touch that anymore. I'm amazed that that is. What are you eating? I heard that. What did you eat? Be free. How does that even work? Hold on. Let's put our speaker back. And let's turn it over and see if the wire disconnected. That, I don't know, that can't be possible because the wire definitely wasn't connected to anything. So how the fuck is this wired to where it can use only one speaker terminal? That makes no sense. Yeah, this is the wire going to the speaker. There's no other wire but that. That is so weird. One wire only connected to that speaker. I'm still amazed though how the speaker only runs off of one terminal of it. But yeah, these resistors could be bad, but this is definitely American made. I don't think there's no Japanese parts in this for damn sure. It's all American. Including, these look like they're Japanese, but I'm pretty sure these are American also. I don't know. Yeah, it's not, I'm not gonna replace any of them. They're still good. Let's put our speaker back. Okay. That's got very good torque. Oh God. And that belt. The belt could fly off if I'm not careful. Eat it. This thing takes a total of like 13 fucking batteries. Let's take that out. Let's take the motor out. It's gonna need to be cleaned and we'll just take out this. I think Okay, there's springs in there. Definitely don't want those to come out, so. Actually, oh. Springs in these slots. And what you do is you put the springs in the slots, and then when you screw it in, it makes the contact from the screw. That's pretty genius, if I say so myself. Damn, USA. Back then when they did shit right. Alright, let's put these springs up. Don't need to lose. Oh, damn, that's been on there for a while. Oh, look at those rubber grommets. I don't think those are. Yeah, they're not doing their job anymore. Unless that's supposed to be like that. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be rubber. Oh well. Yeah. That's the motor. So your capstan. Oh my, the capstan shaft is clean as can be. Look at that. Not a single scuff on that. That's nice. Let's try it. Let's test it. Oh, perfect. It works perfectly. Put that there. Also took this off. Gonna have to clean that. Oh, that goes to that. Okay. If I can figure it out, I should. Big screws go for this this motor cover. That's where the big screws go. I need to figure out. Also took this out. That's for the shaft of that. It's going to be clean. This is a piece of American history, so we're going to give it our best of cleaning. I thought I fucked the motor. I was about to say. Because I lost one of the carbon brushes. This has carbon brushes in it, each side. This is a very early... Hell, this might be a... Well, since there wasn't such thing as transistor tape recorders, they did not know how to make a motor. So this is probably their very first DC motor that they made. But I gave it some oil and it's running like a top, pretty much. And I looked in and I found the motor. The motor, General Industries. Reference 76311183. That's the motor. It's actually like Barber Coleman motor. This might be a Barber Coleman motor. I don't know. Very good. So our motor is fixed. Okay, I'm still doing work on the mechanism. Got my oil out, ready to oil some parts. I'm getting all this, like, this is honestly just filthy. Look at the state of it. Like, it's a weird looking switch. Weird. Needs to be cleaned desperately. Also, here's the pulley. It is indeed made out of metal, and that's a machined part. Okay. Well, let's pull that back in. I thought I freaking lost. I thought I freaking lost the damn one of the brushes, and I'm like, oh, gotta go on fucking eBay, gotta go on eBay and see if I can find them to see if they're even around. Yeah, I mean, you could find replacements. But yeah, the springs are pretty much fucked. This is a number on there. I don't know what the hell that says. Damn if I know, but sounds good. Gonna get a little drop of oil down in there in the bearing, but not now. I don't need it there. But this mechanism needs a whole overhaul, and it's dirty. It needs a good clean. Okay, I should have been disassembling the mechanism like this, but I wasn't. Alright, I want one of these keys. That out. There we go. Now this thing should slide out happily. There we are. Look at that. Ooh, damn. Look at that shit. Oh god. Controller's still grippy. Surprised that's still intact. Oh. Okay. And then that's how that was staying on there. Need to design in a way to get this out. Without trying to break something. For instance, take that out. Just take that out. That's what helps insert. Just pull that out, and voila! Done. That. We just want this whole fucking thing clean. This has gotta be clean as can be. If it isn't, then, well, the recorder is just gonna be sluggish. And we don't need that. Jesus. This grease is just awful. Oh my gosh. Let's just get over here. I'm hoping that getting these washers off are gonna make it a bit easy for me. I really doubt it. I triply doubt it, but it's gotta be done. Got to be done. There we are. That came off nice. So that is one. Let's get this washer. Oh, that is so nasty. Oh my god. Oof. Oh, it's so greasy. This is literally fucking. Oh, that is just. Oh, that is just nasty. Oh my god. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of a door lock. I wonder if that's what inspired them to make this. They looked at a door and they're like, you know what? I'm gonna make a tape recorder that looks like a fucking door mechanism. And they did. The end. Okay, that's off. And so greasy and nasty. Oh god. Now this can come out, I think. Try this. Come on. Aha, got it. There we are. Got it. And there's that. Okay, now. Yes, that is freeable. There's that. There we are. That came out pretty good. Wow, that has certainly been like that for a while. That's for damn sure. Okay. Now, the fun part. Clean! Gotta clean all this crap up. This is definitely what's been gumming. Oh, fuck. That's, definitely, oh, never mind. I would say that's pretty normal. Ah, yeah. No, I'm taking that out. That don't come out. This looks like a fairly kind of simple mechanism. You could hope, at least. These things aren't that easy. But, so look at the switch. Crusty. I'm very surprised it made any contact at all. Oh, that side looks fine. Here's all your goo. This is literally old grease. It's quite hard. Look at that. That's fucking grease right there. Turned green. Probably wasn't green originally, but that looks like fucking mold and moss. This will all be clean. It's pretty much all. Alright, cleanup time. Clean all this crap up. The grease has been like that for so long. And look, wow. Now that is just disgusting. Oh god. Oh, it's so nasty. How does grease look like this over the course of a decade? Oh, hell. Probably 4 decades? No, it's been more decades than that. What am I talking about? I don't really know if you really had to grease this back then, but yeah. Is that a washer? Is that gonna come off? I don't think that's gonna come off. Nope. It's just glued. The grease is glued it. Oh, that's great. This is just nasty. Oh, shit. This is so disgusting. Let's get to work on these. You see how much wear that's got on there. Let's see if I can clean that up. Let's see here. New clean surfaces. That's like, oh wow, look at that. Look at that brass. That is just fucking beautiful. So these are the speeds it's been on. Work its way in there. We'll let that soak. I'd like to take out that idler wheel, but I don't think I can, so I'll do this. And my stomach is hungry. Holy damn, this thing is used a lot. Oh my god. Is that like rust or something? Must be rust. Jeez. This thing was well used. Yeah, that was definitely well used. So, thankfully, where oil was. Where oil was originally to be new oil. Got that on. Let's just get that. Get some of that oil on there. Good enough. That's the home position. Okay. That was surprisingly easy. This is just one little... Not bad. Good. Well, that is in place now. Okay, let's see. Okay. That is back to normal. It was on the damn floor. Hole for the flywheel. Well, the hole for the flywheel is right here. So if I'm thinking correctly. Here we are. That would go there. Now that now we're putting our motor bracket back in. Okay, our motor bracket is in. Okay, got that done. I guess before we take the battery compartment off to clean it up, I guess we could test it real quick with our corroded terminals. Oh. There we are. I don't know about this anymore. Is it really needed? And there's that. There's that one. There is our battery thing. The hell did I melt in there? Oh. And we need to resolder our electric motor. There we go. That is wired on. Now, to get the plastic pieces. Okay, got our plastic pieces. Now let's wash these. We're gonna clean this up.